Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The AMZCHEF coffee grinder is a conical Burr machine designed to bring a higher level of precision to the home brewing process. It sits in a category of kitchen appliances that aims to bridge the gap between basic entry-level equipment and the high-end machinery found in professional cafes. This particular model focuses on versatility, offering a wide range of grind sizes to accommodate various brewing methods from coarse cold brew to fine espresso. By utilizing a stainless steel conical Burr system rather than the spinning blades found in cheaper alternatives, this grinder is built to provide a more uniform particle size, which is a fundamental requirement for achieving a balanced extraction and a consistent flavor profile in every cup. The physical build and design of the unit reflect a modern aesthetic with a silver finish that allows it to blend into most contemporary kitchen environments. It features a compact footprint, which is an important consideration for users with limited counter space. At the top sits a bean hopper capable of holding a standard amount of coffee for daily use, and the front is dominated by a clear LED control panel. This interface allows for digital timing and adjustment, moving away from the more traditional manual dials. One of the standout design choices is the inclusion of an anti-static technology. Static electricity is a common issue in coffee grinding, often causing grounds to fly out and stick to the sides of the container or the machine itself. This design aims to mitigate that mess, keeping the workspace cleaner. Additionally, the unit comes with a detachable funnel stand specifically designed to hold an Espresso Portafilter directly under the chute, which streamlines the workflow for those focusing on espresso preparation. When it comes to how the machine performs, the core of the experience lies in the 48 precise grind settings. These settings are adjusted by rotating the hopper, allowing the user to fine-tune the distance between the stainless steel burrs. This level of granularity matters because coffee beans have different densities and roast levels, all of which require slightly different grind sizes to extract properly. The conical burrs rotate at a controlled speed to minimize heat buildup. This is a critical performance factor because excessive heat during the grinding process can prematurely release the volatile oils and aromatics within the bean, leading to a flat or burnt taste before the water even touches the grounds. By keeping the temperature low, the grinder helps preserve the original flavor profile of the specialty beans being used. The performance is also defined by the consistency of the output. In a Burr system, the beans are crushed into uniform shapes rather than being shattered into a mix of dust and large chunks. This uniformity ensures that when water passes through the grounds, it does so at an even rate, preventing the sourness of under-extraction or the bitterness of over-extraction. The utility of this machine is best suited for a specific type of coffee drinker. It is an ideal choice for the home enthusiast who is looking to move beyond pre-ground coffee and wants to explore the nuances of different brewing styles. Because it includes a dedicated portafilter holder and a photophobic coffee ground container, it appeals strongly to those who own an espresso machine and need a dedicated grinder that can handle the fine requirements of a pressurized basket. However, its broad range of 48 settings also makes it useful for people who switch between a French press in the morning and a pour-over in the afternoon. It is for the consumer who values the convenience of digital controls and wants a cleaner experience provided by anti-static features, but who may not be ready to invest in a commercial-grade grinder that costs hundreds of dollars more. It serves as a middle ground for the hobbyist who is serious about their coffee but also mindful of their kitchen budget and space. In terms of value and positioning, the grinder is priced at approximately $80 at the time of writing. This puts it in a competitive spot within the market. On one hand, it offers features often found in more expensive units, such as the LED panel and the specialized espresso accessories. On the other hand, it remains accessible for those just starting to build their home coffee station. While it provides a significant upgrade over blade grinders or basic Burr models, it is important to recognize that it is built for domestic use. It is not intended for high-volume commercial environments where a grinder might need to run continuously for hours. For the average household that grinds enough for a few cups a day, the build quality and motor power are designed to be sufficient. The detachable components, including the burrs and the funnel, make the maintenance process relatively straightforward, which is essential for the longevity of any coffee equipment. Looking at the product as a whole, it represents a balanced approach to home coffee preparation. It addresses the most common frustrations of home grinding, such as mess and inconsistency, while providing enough control to satisfy those who want to experiment with their brew recipes. It does not try to be a professional-grade titan, but rather a reliable and feature-rich tool for the daily ritual of making coffee. The silver finish and digital interface give it a premium feel, while the mechanical focus on low-heat grinding and particle uniformity ensures that the functional requirements of a good grinder are met. It is a thoughtful option for someone looking to elevate their home barista skills without an overwhelming level of complexity or cost. Ultimately, it provides the necessary tools for a better cup of coffee by focusing on the physics of the grind and the ergonomics of the user experience. For roughly $80, it offers a comprehensive package that covers the needs of most home brewing scenarios, making it a practical addition to a coffee lover's arsenal. While no single machine can be everything to everyone, this grinder finds a middle path that emphasizes control, cleanliness, and versatility for the everyday user. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.